Samsung is breaking records with the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and our first ever leak for the Galaxy S24 Ultra is here. Samsung will continue to push boundaries with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and according to the latest reports, the new Snapdragon that will power the Galaxy S24 Ultra will crush Geekbench. This new chipset will be more stronger and power efficient than ever before, and this might put an end to iPhone's dominance in Geekbench and battery life. Talking about the Galaxy S23 Ultra, it is a totally new phone from the inside. With its amazing performance and battery life, it is already setting a benchmark for other competitors out there in the market. The gap between iPhone 14 Pro Max and the Galaxy S23 Ultra is getting so close. Samsung is not going to settle here. With the Galaxy S24 Ultra, we will have a new design with amazing performance and battery life. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will be the upcoming processor that will power this beast, and Samsung might optimize this processor just for Galaxy, like they did with this year's Galaxy S23 Ultra. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is said to have a clock speed of 3.7 GHz. In comparison, the Galaxy S23 Ultra's 8 Gen 2 has a clock speed of 3.3 GHz. This means we will be seeing a huge performance jump with the next generation Galaxy. Samsung will also debut their first ever UFS 4.1 storage with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Right now, the UFS 4.0 storage on the Galaxy S23 Ultra is already ahead of what is present on iPhone 14 Pro. So faster performance, amazing battery life, super zoom cameras and a new design will make Galaxy S24 Ultra one hell of a smartphone. Also this year, for the first time, iPhone 15 Pro will come with a 3nm processor that is said to have some massive numbers in Geekbench, but we'll have to see how this phone really performs in real world usage. Let's wait and see what Samsung does with their next Galaxy. Till then, make sure you are subscribed to the channel for more updates and information on upcoming leaks and rumors. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.